Modern plumbing revolutionized public health by providing clean water and safe waste disposal. Let's see how it changed society. Reliable plumbing delivers safe drinking water, drastically cutting illnesses like cholera and typhoid. Sewage systems prevent contamination of living spaces, reducing exposure to harmful bacteria and parasites. As cities grew, plumbing infrastructure was vital in controlling epidemics and supporting dense populations. Building codes and health regulations ensure plumbing systems maintain hygiene and prevent outbreaks. From clean water to waste management, plumbing transformed public health and quality of life worldwide. Like this video, subscribe and watch our next video, History of Sanitation Systems.